Hello and welcome to the Hit Labs next unboxing video. Today we have a new Oculus Rift S. We're going to be unboxing. As normally the case, Rob's rule of purchasing is buy two of everything because you'll be happy you did in the future. Nothing in there. Okay. So here's what the box looks like, so you can get a good look at kind of. And yeah, we will try and do it a little easier than last one, like that. Clean black. Let's see, I guess we can start with the headset itself. It's like a number of interesting looking cameras. Sensors, we'll just call them sensors for now. And the cable, you can kind of see. Look at the inside. We'll do more of a hands-on later. The adjustment looks very good, so it looks like that they've moved the weight onto a head strap, which I think is really good. So it won't all be on the nose. Looks pretty sleek. And then the other thing in the box are some rings that have been flipped over. So these are the new controllers. Have similar buttons, a couple less buttons, fewer buttons. So that looks pretty cool. We'll play with those a little bit. What else is in the box? So we have, batteries, very important. The manual, getting started, a little dongle adapter thing. So that's pretty cool. And I know, it's just another VR headset, but as always, we're really excited to have more great stuff that will allow us to do cool stuff in the future. So again, we have two of these, and if you're interested in coming to join us, good stuff ahead.